and welcome to another ZarMoney training session. In this module, we'll be learning how to transfer your inventory within ZarMoney. Transferring inventory is necessary when you have multiple locations or warehouses. If you need to learn more about how to add multiple warehouses, please view the related video for that topic before continuing on with this session. Okay, let's get started. From any screen in ZarMoney, navigate to the top bar navigation, and then hover over Items and Services. From the drop-down, click the plus next to Inventory Transfers. Choose the date you wish to record the transfer for, and then select the warehouse you're transferring from and the warehouse you're transferring to. Then fill in the item boxes accordingly. Make sure you select the correct unit of measure if applicable. The information icon next to the current quantity amount will take you to the item summary page. When ready to transfer, select Save and Transfer Now, or select Save as Draft to review later. I'm going to click Save and Transfer Now. Click Yes for the prompt. And after selecting Save and Transfer Now, your transfer will show as checked out from the originating warehouse. Okay, now let's learn how to check in our inventory. Navigate to the Items and Services Center and click on Inventory Transfers. Select the transfer number you'd like to check in. After verifying all items have arrived, click Receive at the bottom. Your inventory is now checked in at the destination warehouse. This feature is convenient and allows a more accurate count of your stock and inventory, enabling you to free up your company's cash for use in other areas. Okay, that's all for this training session. For more help, visit us at ZarMoney.com.